Hey, it's Saturday morning and I've just arrived to France. This is the Saint Bernard Pass. I'm gonna do one of the hardest Via Ferrata in France today, but it's still like 1 hour away from here. So for now I'm gonna test my new DJI Mavic 2. I'm in Val d'Isère. Here is the casino and the parking. You can see my car over there. And the Via Ferrata starts in here. Isn't it convenient? So let's start. And tricky. Kind of creepy. Rock formation. Okay, this is something typical for French Via Ferratas. The trick here is you cannot really hold on anything. Okay, now you can hold. Looks like there is exit, which means this is probably the first part. I'm going for the second for sure. Third, let's see. Hope I don't have to climb on the tree. Now it's longer. Whew. Oh gosh. Finally, I can see the super challenging third part. So I'm at the trickiest part of this Via Ferrata. You can see this super easy bridge, but then super exposed part. Now it's gonna be the hardest part. Such an amazing part. Okay, it's time to continue. Whoa. I've made such a super exposed part. I can't believe I did this. Whew. That section was so hard, I need a rest. And I think nothing harder will be after that point. Apparently this is the end of Via Ferrata. It was shorter than I've expected. I'm back to the car. It was really nice Via Ferrata. And now I'm gonna drive to the pass. I've just arrived to Col d'Isère. It's the highest elevation I've ever been with my car. Finally arrived to Torino and I'm super hungry and I'm going to get some seafood right now. The restaurant which I wanted to visit unfortunately was overbooked, so I couldn't get in. Since I don't eat any pizza or pasta, I'll just go to this beautiful supermarket and get some salad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.